the winners of the Pro Wrestling League Season 3 and they are the Punjab Royals, and join me is one of the Punjabi, Sahil Khattar. Sahil, Punjab Royals ने finally Pro Wrestling League Season 3 भी जीत लिया, second जीता था, third भी जीत लिया. What do you say to the team Punjab Royals?
First of all, congratulations. आज पंगड़े पहन के डट खोलन के बोतल है. But one thing is for sure that it also runs how Kushti runs in the lineage or in the legacy. वही team में भी दिखा है. Dharampal Rathi ji is one of the wrestlers himself, and he's the only one who owns a team as well. So I guess उसका बहुत बड़ा प्रभाव पड़ा है. And not just that, ये दूसरा सीजन लगातार जीते हैं और किसी को नहीं लगता था कि ये जीत जाएंगे. But because and किंतु परंतु पूजा जैसा कोई नहीं निकला दूजा. Out of nowhere, she's become a world conqueror. She's better than Columbus, I feel, right now. She's conquered all the champions, all the medalists, silver, gold, bronze. And because of her, and I will actually say it and give it to her, Punjab Royals is a winner. One of the most important things is that Pooja Dhanda took them away.
Sahil, Pooja Dhanda is something which is phenomenal, just because the pressure on her before the match was something which is outstanding, and defeating Helen Morales for the very second time. Nobody in the history of wrestling has defeated 2 times Helen Morales, and this is the history which has been created right now in the Pro Wrestling League Season 3.
Well, I would say Pooja के ऊपर बिल्कुल pressure नहीं था, because David और Goliath की लड़ाई में Goliath के ऊपर ज़्यादा pressure होता है क्योंकि David close आ रहा होता है. The underdog is always stress-free and released and relieved. So I guess Pooja just came out of nowhere and gave her best. And that is why she's not just the player of the day today at the finals. She might be the player of the series as well. And I will congratulate Pooja, her coach, her team, her parents, that out of nowhere this girl has come and she's conquered the world of wrestling. So all shubhkamnaएं to her Khema and her family. And thank you so much for having me at Pro Wrestling League Season 3. I could witness history.
Sahil, nation is congratulating Punjab Royals and Pooja Dhanda, but I would like to also congratulate you, just because you are the first Indian to become an auctioneer for the sports league, and you have conducted the auction of the Pro Wrestling League as well, and you have been commentating from the very first day till the last day. How was the journey of yours, just because you have done this for the first time in the field of sport?
Well, I feel that एक embryo का जब जन्म होता है ना, and then it blossoms into a being. That is what has happened to me and Pro Wrestling League Season 3 के साथ. क्योंकि मैं जानता नहीं था ज़्यादा रेसलिंग के बारे में. मैं मानता ज़रूर था कि ये धरती का स्पोर्ट है, मिट्टी का स्पोर्ट है. पर when I started getting into it, I could only see myself sinking in deep down, because this is so interesting, this is so intriguing. मैंने सिर्फ इनका auction ही नहीं किया है, and I did not just become the first Indian to do a sports auction for sports in India. I also became the presenter for them. I also did the commentary for them. I also did the on-ground interviews for them. So to know wrestling inside out, this is what probably I had gathered. और मैं जितना gather करके लेके जा रहा हूँ, उतना ही घर जाके उसको अपने पास सेफ रखूंगा, सीक्रेट रखूंगा, और अगले सीजन में और भी ज़्यादा वेंजेंस के साथ वापस आऊंगा और आपको और ज़्यादा खतरनाक तरीके से एंटरटेन करूंगा.
Right, to all the fans out there of the Khatarnak, what you will say to them? Just because now Sahil Khattar is just not the entertainer, he is also came into the field of sports, and now he is in front of all of them.
Well, I would say always be khatarnak, no matter what. Call a spade a spade. Yes, be wary of all the other elements in the society, but never lose your voice. Freedom of speech rocks, come what may. आप जो भी करना चाहते हो, अगर मेरे जैसा एक गंजा लड़का आके यहाँ पर काफ़ी शोज एंकर कर सकता है और स्पोर्ट्स लीग में आ सकता है, प्रो रेसलिंग लीग जैसी, जो कि नंबर 2 है रेटिंग में, तो आई एम श्योर कोई भी कुछ भी कर सकता है. And I would always say, whenever you see us, please come and meet us, because there's a dearth of meeting people, क्योंकि schedule इतना packed रहता है, and a lot of complaints and queries come on the social media. So I would really say, शर्माइए मत, always be there and beware.
Thank you so much for speaking to us, Sahil. This was Sahil Khattar, who is hosting this season for the Pro Wrestling League, and finally, after the season ends, we will definitely see him in yet another sports league as well. With the original list of Naz is Ashparajan of Pro Wrestling League.